Hey, welcome to my school video. Yeah, that's what we're gonna build. Let's show you how we're gonna build it real quick. At this school, it's called Mott. It's in Flint, Michigan. We walk in and it's all of a sudden you see these old cars. It's like, look at this car, EV1. I googled, what the heck is this car? Must be something. It's beautiful. Oh my God, this EV1 is the first electric car. This is the first electric vehicles. Supposedly, they built it. EV1. They build it over here. General Motors funded the research. They're cool. Build it at this company. This technology. All right. School. Yes, we built that car. Our instructors, James and Scott, excellent. They give us great review of every detail of every part we built. There's a book. Yes, it is there. But of course, hands-on, we built it from scratch. Of course, we started with the frame and we put everything together. And in the third day, it's up and running. Everybody needs the school. It's worth every penny. So here's the end car that I'm going to build. It's the coupe, and we started. Here's the frame. That's us. It's me taking picture there. And again, looking around. So we did every tiny detail on this car. Wiring underneath, go underneath, tighten some bolts, torque everything. Dropping an engine with the transmission. Put the body together. Some wheels in the back, and you end up with this car that is gonna wake up the whole neighborhood in Glenview. Listen to this baby when it flies high. Are you guys ready? Listen to this. Yeah, it's pretty loud. Can't wait to drive this baby. Can't wait.